Dear children, here we are going to learn Chapter 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. Introduction to Trigonometry. This topic may be new to you. Up to class 9 you did not study that. Here we are going to start only. It's a basic concept only we are studying here, and some applications in the next chapter, that is chapter 9. Okay, now what is mean by trigonometry? It is the branch of mathematics which deals with the sides and angles of a right angled triangle. Sides and angles of a right angled triangle. Or this trigonometry we use to find out the height of a building or width of a river, etc. That is, if we want to find out the height of a building, how can we find out that? Either we have to go upside, that is top of the building, and from there we have to drop a tape to bottom of the building, then only we will get the height of the building. Without that, without going top of the building, we can find out the height of a building by using this trigonometry. Or the width of a river. If we want to find out the width of a river, that also we can find out by using trigonometry without actually measuring, without actually using a tape. We can measure the width of a river or height of a tower or height of a building or height of anything. We can find out by using this trigonometry. So for that we are using trigonometry in mathematics. Okay, now first we have to understand the meaning of this trigonometry. This word trigonometry came from three Greek words: tri, gon and metric. Tri, gon and metric. Tri means three. Tri means three. In Greek its meaning is three. Three, they used to say tri. Gon means sides, and metric means measure. Metric means measure. So trigonometry means measurement of the three sides of a triangle. Measurement of three sides we can say. Then three sides of figure means that is a triangle only. So trigonometry means measurement of the three sides of a triangle. And in trigonometry we used to consider only a right angled triangle. So remember what is by a right angled triangle? If in a triangle one angle is equal to 90 degree, then it is called a right angled triangle. Suppose this one is a right angled triangle, then I am going to mark it A, B and C. Of course we know that angle B is equal to 90 degree. Angle B is equal to 90 degree. So one angle is 90 degree. So triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. And in right triangle we have studied earlier. In a right angled triangle, side opposite to right angle is called the hypotenuse, and this one BC is called the base of the right angled triangle, and the AB is called the perpendicular of the right angled triangle ABC. So in ABC, in right triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. If angle B is equal to 90 degree, then AC is called the hypotenuse, and that is the longest side of the right angled triangle. AC is called the hypotenuse, AB is called the perpendicular, and BC is called the base of this right angled triangle. And we have studied earlier a relationship that is Pythagoras Theorem. What is by Pythagoras Theorem? In a right angled triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. In a right angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. That is, other two sides. Which are the other two sides? Perpendicular and base. Then earlier you have studied this way, that is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Then here hypotenuse is AC, perpendicular AB and base BC. So we can write AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. That is in a right angle triangle only. Any right triangle you take and find out the square of the hypotenuse. After that, find out the square of perpendicular and base and add these two, then you will get is equal to hypotenuse square. That is called Pythagoras theorem. Greek mathematician Pythagoras then derived this formula. That is why it is called Pythagoras theorem. So, if we know the two sides of a triangle, according to this Pythagoras theorem, if we know the two sides of a right angled triangle, then we can find out the third side. For that, we are using this Pythagoras theorem. Suppose in this right triangle, AB is equal to 4 cm, BC is equal to 3 cm, then we can find out the hypotenuse. Can you say what is hypotenuse? Yes, hypotenuse is equal to, it will become 5 cm. If base is 3 cm and perpendicular is 4 cm, then hypotenuse it will become 5 cm. How can we find out that? Just substitute that values here in this relationship, then we will get the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, that is AC. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB, what is the value of AB? That is 4. So AB square means it will come 4 square plus BC square, that is BC is equal to side BC is equal to 3. So BC square is equal to 3 square. 4 square, 4 4s are 16 plus 3 square, 3 3s are 9. Then that is equal to 16 plus 9, 25. That is AC square. AC is equal to, what will get answer? A square transposing to next side, it will become a square root of 25. AC is equal to square root of 25. What is answer? 5. So AC is equal to 5 centimeter. That is the hypotenuse. So this way, if we know any two sides, whether hypotenuse and base, and we can find out perpendicular. If we know any two sides of a right triangle, then we can find out the third side. For that, we are using this Pythagoras theorem. So earlier we were using that one. So just remember this one: hypotenuse, perpendicular, and base. That much only. Then that is before starting this trigonometric ratios, we have to remember this one. Then for that I told that. Okay, now let's start this trigonometric ratios. That is here. One thing is there to find out the. I told that this trigonometry we are using to find out the height of a building, or the width of a river, or height of a tower, or sometimes we used to find out the height of an aeroplane flying at a height from the earth. We can find out the height, how much height it is flying. That also we can find out. So for these reasons we are using this trigonometry. So for that we have to study 6 ratios. Already it is defined. So that 6 ratios we have to study. If we study that 6 ratios, then only we can find out the height of a building, or width of a river, etc. Then here 6 trigonometric ratios are there. Before that, here I told angle B is equal to 90 degree. In right triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. If angle B is equal to 90 degree, this opposite side, its opposite side, always it is called a hypotenuse. It is called a hypotenuse. Then suppose if we are considering an acute angle A or C, here angle B is equal to 90 degree, then angle C and angle A are acute angles only. Both will be less than 90 degree only. Angle which is less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. So if we are considering one angle, just now I am going to consider this angle C. Angle C is an acute angle, and we do not know what is that angle. What is the measurement of that angle? We do not know that. So when we do not know an angle, then we used to consider it as theta. That is in chapter 3. Linear equations in 2 variables, word problems when you have done, then you have studied that one. Suppose some word problems they will give. The age of a father is 3 times the age of his son, etc. Some questions they will give. So in that case, we assume that let the age of father be x. Let the age of father be x. Age of father be x. Age of father be x, and the age of son be y. So that same way we are just imagining, or we are assuming that angle C is equal to theta. Then this theta, this one is his symbol, and read as theta. Theta, theta. This one is a symbol. See, this one is a symbol theta. So just we are assuming that angle C is equal to theta. When we use this Pythagoras theorem, I told that AB is the perpendicular and BC is the base. Now in trigonometry, we used to say AB as opposite side. That is, we have considered angle theta, angle C as theta. So its opposite side, that is called a opposite side. Okay, that is called a opposite side. Side opposite to the acute angle. Side opposite to the acute angle. That is called a opposite side. And which one is the nearest side? This one is nearest to that angle. We are considering this angle, angle C as theta. So that is why we will see that angle only. Its opposite side is called a opposite side, and its nearest side is called the adjacent side. That is called a adjacent side. This one is called a adjacent side of theta. Adjacent side of theta. Now remember, if we are considering angle A as theta, if you are considering angle A as theta, then that means here in a right triangle ABC, in right triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree, and angle A we have considered it as theta. Angle A is equal to theta. Hypotenuse, there is no change. AC is the hypotenuse. Always AC is the hypotenuse. But here in this case, opposite side and adjacent side, there is a difference. Opposite side and adjacent side, there is a difference. That is, its opposite side, angle A we have considered as theta. A we have considered as theta. So its opposite side, BC is the opposite side here. BC is the opposite side, and AB is the adjacent side. AB is nearest to that angle. So AB is called the adjacent side. That is the adjacent side. Adjacent side. So this one you have to remember. When we are considering an angle theta, acute angle theta, which angle is theta? Its opposite side is called the opposite side. Its nearest side is called the adjacent side. Here we have considered angle A as theta. So opposite side is BC and the adjacent side is AB. There is a difference. So that you have to remember. Then now we can study the trigonometric ratios. I told already total 6 trigonometric ratios are there. That is the ratios between the sides of a right angled triangle. Ratios between the sides of a right angled triangle. Sides of right triangle we have studied. I told that in Pythagoras theorem we use hypotenuse, perpendicular and base. But in trigonometry we use hypotenuse, opposite side and adjacent side. Hypotenuse is always same, but opposite side and adjacent side will change according to the acute angle. Which acute angle you are considering, according to that opposite side and adjacent side will change. That you have to remember. Now you see, in Pythagoras theorem I told that if we know the two sides of a right angle triangle, then we can use the third side by using the Pythagoras theorem. So only for that we are using the Pythagoras theorem. But using trigonometry, we can find out these acute angles also. We can find out the acute angle also. If we know the two sides of a right angle triangle, any two sides of a right angle triangle, then we can find out the third side. Not only that, we can find out the acute angle also. This acute angle theta we can find out. If we know any two sides of a right angle triangle, by using these trigonometric ratios, we can find out the angle. That is the difference here. But using Pythagoras theorem, we cannot find out the angle. But here we can find out the angle. And for measuring the height of a building or width of a river and all, we should know the angle. And here suppose just angle theta is equal to 60 degree. If we know this angle and width of the height of the building or width of the river, if we know, then we can find out the other thing, that is the height of the building or width of the river. We can find out if we know the angle. If we know the angle and one side, then we can find out all other sides and other angle also. That is, suppose if we know AB is equal to 4 centimeter and angle C theta is equal to 60 degree, then we can find out BC, AC and angle A also we can find out. Then for finding out that, we are using this trigonometry. Okay, now trigonometry ratios. Total 6 trigonometric ratios are there. Sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant and cotangent. Then first one is sine. S-I-N-E. Short form we used to write it as sine, that is S-I-N. Second one is cosine. Cosine. Short form we used to write it as cos. Third one is tangent. Short form it is tan. Fourth one is cosecant, and its short form is cosec. Fifth one is secant, and its short form is sec. Sixth one is cotangent, and its short form is cot. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios. How can we define it? I will tell you that now. I will explain you. First you have to remember the names: sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant and cotangent. Always, but we will not use this full form. Always for doing the exercise or doing the calculations, always we use the short form only. So remember these short forms. Sine, its short form is sine. Only difference is that sine S-I-N-E, but here it is sine S-I-N only. Short form it is S-I-N. Second one is cosine, its short form is cos. Third one is tangent, its short form is tan. Fourth one is cosecant and its short form is cosec. Fifth one is secant and its short form is sec. Sixth one is cotangent and its short form is cot. So sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. These are the 6 trigonometric ratios. Now we can define that ratio. What is a ratio? These are trigonometric ratios. I told that trigonometric ratios are the ratios between or relationship between the angles and sides of a right angle triangle. Relationship between the angles and sides of a right angle triangle. And the ratios, it is the ratio of the sides of the right angle triangle. Ratio of the sides of the right angle triangle. First one is sine. We used to write sine theta. Sine theta, because we have considered angle C as theta here. So we will write sine theta. Sine theta, remember that it is not sine into theta. Sine theta means no into sign is here. Sometimes in algebra and all we used to write xy. Xy means it is x into y. But in trigonometry, sine theta means don't think that it is into sine into theta. No, it is not sine into theta. It is sine theta only. It is one word only. It is one word only, sine theta only. Not like x and y. So sine theta is equal to, what is the ratio? Sine theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Sine theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So in trigonometry, sine theta is defined as the ratio between the opposite side and the hypotenuse. Ratio between the opposite side and the hypotenuse of a right angled triangle. So using this relationship, if we know the angle and hypotenuse, we can find out the opposite side. If we know the angle and opposite side, then we can find out the hypotenuse. Or if we know the opposite side and hypotenuse, then we can find out the angle also using this ratio. That is sine theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Then second one is cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. That is the ratio of cos theta. So cos theta is defined as the ratio between the adjacent side and the hypotenuse. Now third one is tan theta. Tan theta is the ratio between the opposite side and the adjacent side. Opposite side and the adjacent side. And cosec theta. Next one is cosec theta. Cosec theta is the reciprocal ratio of sin theta. cosec theta is the reciprocal ratio of sin theta. Reciprocal ratio, that means sin theta is opposite side divided by hypotenuse, then cosec theta is the hypotenuse divided by opposite side. So cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse divided by opposite side. Now next one is sec theta. Sec theta is the reciprocal ratio of cos theta. Sec theta is the reciprocal ratio of cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Then sec theta is equal to hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Next one is cot theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal ratio of tan theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal ratio of tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. Then cot theta is equal to what will come? Adjacent side divided by opposite side. Cot theta is equal to adjacent side divided by opposite side. That is the, these are the 6 trigonometric ratios. So remember, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Sin theta is the ratio of the ratio between the opposite side and the hypotenuse of a right angled triangle. Cos theta is the ratio between the adjacent side and hypotenuse of a right angled triangle. Tan theta is the ratio between the opposite side and adjacent side of a right angled triangle. Cosec theta is the ratio between the hypotenuse and opposite side. Sec theta is the ratio between the hypotenuse and adjacent side. And cot theta is the ratio between the adjacent side and the opposite side. And remember these 3 ratios also. Cosec theta is the reciprocal ratio of sin theta. Sec theta is the reciprocal ratio of cos theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal ratio of tan theta. So if you study these 3 ratios, remaining you can write easily. Only you have to remember that which one is the reciprocal ratio. Sin theta opposite by hypotenuse, then cosec theta it will come hypotenuse divided by opposite ratios. Cos theta is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse, then sec theta is hypotenuse divided by adjacent. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent, so cot theta is equal to just opposite, that is adjacent divided by opposite. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios we used in trigonometry to find out the angle or sides of a right angled triangle. And this right angled triangle we will use in to find out the height of a building or width of a river or height of an aeroplane or height of a mountain, whatever it may be, we can use this right angled triangle to find out that. So for using this right angled triangle, we have to remember these 6 trigonometric ratios, then only we can find out that. So for that we are using these 6 trigonometric ratios. So remember once more, sin theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent. Cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse divided by opposite. Sec theta is equal to hypotenuse divided by adjacent. Cot theta is equal to adjacent side divided by opposite side. So these 6 trigonometric ratios are very important in trigonometry. These are the main basic things in trigonometry. If you did not study these 6 trigonometric ratios, then you cannot do this trigonometry. So dear children, study these 6 trigonometric ratios nicely. Okay, now some relations we have to study about the ratios. That is, here in right triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Angle C we have considered as theta. Then AC is the hypotenuse. AB is the opposite side. AB is the opposite side. BC is the adjacent side. Adjacent side. Then we have already defined sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. First one is sin theta. Sin theta is equal to, what was the ratio? Opposite side divided by hypotenuse is equal to, we can write, sine of angle theta. Sine of angle theta is equal to, sine of angle theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side we can write AB divided by hypotenuse, that is AC. Then second one is cos theta. Cos theta is equal to, what was the ratio? Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Cos of angle theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is here BC divided by AC we can write. Next one is number 3, tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. Opposite side divided by adjacent side. Opposite side is AB and adjacent side is BC. So the ratio is AB divided by BC. Now next one. Fourth one is, I told that order you have to remember. It should be in order. Sine, cos, tan. Fourth one, it should be in order. That is cosec theta. Cosec theta is the reciprocal ratio of sine theta. Cosec theta is the reciprocal ratio of sine theta. Sine theta is opposite divided by hypotenuse. So cosec theta it will come hypotenuse divided by opposite side. That is equal to, it will come AC divided by AB. Then next one, number 5 is sec theta. Sec theta is the reciprocal ratio of cos theta. Reciprocal ratio of cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So sec theta is equal to hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. That is equal to, it will come AC divided by BC. Then next, sixth one is cot theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal ratio of tan theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal ratio of tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite divided by adjacent. So cot theta it will come adjacent divided by opposite. Adjacent side divided by opposite side. That is equal to BC divided by AB. BC divided by AB. Now we will find out 1 divided by cosec theta. I am going to find out 1 divided by cosec theta is equal to 1 divided by cosec theta. This one is cosec theta. 1 divided by cosec theta. What is the ratio? Cosec theta is equal to, we got AC divided by AB. AC divided by AB. Then that is equal to divide it. 1 divided by AC divided by AB. This one is the numerator and this one is the denominator. Then we can write numerator into reciprocal of the denominator. While dividing two rational numbers, we know that direct we cannot divide. We will divide it this way only. We will multiply the reciprocal of the second rational number. First rational number into the reciprocal of the second rational number. So it will come 1 into reciprocal of AC by AB. What is the answer? AB divided by AC. That is equal to 1 into AB. AB divided by AC. AB divided by AC. Which ratio is that? From here we will get that. AB divided by AC. Which ratio is that? Sin theta. Sin theta. So here we got sin theta. Here we got 1 by cosec theta is equal to sin theta. Already I told that sin theta and cosec theta are the reciprocal ratios. Sin theta is equal to AB by AC. Cosec theta is equal to AC by AB. So sin theta is equal to, we can write 1 by cosec theta. So 1 by cosec theta is equal to, we got answer sin theta. Therefore we can write first formula, that is sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. And the cosec theta is equal to, just opposite also we can write cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. So this one we can write first formula. This one is the second formula. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Now number 3, find out 1 by sec theta. Or 1 by cos theta also we can write. 1 by cos theta or 1 by sec theta. They are the reciprocal ratios. So find out 1 by sec theta. 1 by sec theta is equal to 1 divided by sec theta. Sec theta is equal to AC by BC. AC by BC. Then that is equal to 1 into reciprocal of the denominator. What is the reciprocal of AC by BC? That is BC divided by AC. BC divided by AC. That is equal to, we can write 1 into BC. BC divided by AC. That is equal to BC divided by AC. Which ratio is that? Cos theta. So 1 by sec theta is equal to, we can write cos theta. Or just opposite, cos theta is equal to, we can write 1 by sec theta. So that is the third formula. Cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta. Then just opposite also we can write That is sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, because they are the reciprocal ratios. First one, this one, just opposite only. Sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta, then cosec theta is equal to, it will become 1 by sin theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta, therefore sec theta is equal to, it will become 1 by cos theta. Now can you tell me tan theta is equal to, number 5, tan theta is equal to, which ratio is that? 1 divided by, it's a reciprocal ratio. Tan theta is equal to, its reciprocal ratio is cot theta. So tan theta is equal to, we can write 1 by cot theta. And cot theta is equal to, we can write 1 by tan theta. 1 by tan theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Again, two more formulas are there, 7. Now I am going to find out sin theta divided by cos theta. Sin theta divided by cos theta. What will come? Sin theta divided by cos theta. Sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to sin theta ratio. From here we will take sin theta is equal to AB by AC. Sin theta is equal to AB divided by AC divided by cos theta is equal to BC divided by AC. BC divided by AC. Then that is equal to, now multiply numerator into reciprocal of the denominator. Numerator is AB divided by AC into reciprocal of BC by AC, that is AC divided by BC. AC divided by BC, that is equal to AC we can cancel. AB divided by BC. Then that is equal to, which ratio is that? See that AB divided by BC, we got answer, that is tan theta. So that is tan theta. Therefore tan theta is equal to, we can write, what we can write answer? Tan theta is equal to, we can write sin theta divided by cos theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. Now one more is there, 8th one. Find out cos theta by sin theta. Just opposite. Cos theta divided by sin theta. Here you see tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Just opposite we are finding out that cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta divided by sin theta. Cos theta is equal to BC by AC. BC divided by AC divided by sin theta is equal to AB by AC. Sin theta is equal to AB divided by AC. Now cross multiply numerator into reciprocal of the denominator, that is BC divided by AC into reciprocal of AB by AC, that is AC divided by AB. AC we can cancel. BC divided by AB. BC divided by AB. BC divided by AB, which ratio is that? Yes, this one. BC divided by AB is equal to cot theta. BC divided by AB is equal to cot theta. Therefore, cot theta is equal to, we can write cos theta by sin theta. Cot theta is equal to, we can write cos theta divided by sin theta. Cos theta divided by sin theta. These are the relationship between the trigonometric ratios. So these trigonometric ratios you have to study. Trigonometric relationship also you have to study for doing the first exercise. So first you have to write the heading introduction to trigonometry. After that you have to draw a figure, mark it there, hypotenuse, opposite side, adjacent side. After that you have to write all these trigonometric ratios. After that you have to write the relationship between the trigonometric ratios. So which are the trigonometric ratios? 6 trigonometric ratios are there. Remember, these all the formulas you have to study. That 8 formulas, and here these 6 formulas you have to study. Then only we can do that first exercise. So remember that first trigonometric ratio is sin theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Second one, cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to opposite divided by opposite side divided by adjacent side. And cosec theta is the reciprocal ratio of sin theta, hypotenuse divided by opposite. Sec theta is the reciprocal ratio of cos theta, hypotenuse divided by adjacent. Cot theta is the reciprocal ratio of tan theta, adjacent side divided by opposite side. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios. Now next one, sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Cos theta, this one reciprocal ratios only. See, sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. That is the 2 formulas. Second one, cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Next one, tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Next one, tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta, and cot theta is equal to just opposite cos theta divided by sin theta, cos theta divided by sin theta. So these all the formulas write down in your notebook and study nicely that. So we will start the exercise in the next video class. Thank you so much.